Hi, hello everyone. So, today we are going to continue our lesson on Module 5, Year 4, which is Eating Right. For those who don't know me, my name is Teacher Fatin and welcome to my English class. So, today our lesson is about how much and how many. When you look at the picture, will you use how much or will you use how many for the water? No worries, let's learn together. Firstly, I will explain to you about when to use how much and how many. Okay, we use it when we want to know the quantity or amount of something. We ask questions starting with how much and how many. So, we will use it when we want to ask someone about the quantity or amount of something. But before that, we need to learn about countable noun and uncountable noun first. Countable noun can be counted, boleh dikira, while uncountable noun cannot be counted, tidak boleh dikira. For example, can you count how many string of noodles in the bowl that you eat? No, right? It's impossible. So that's why we call it as uncountable noun. Okay, next. Countable noun can take singular or plural verbs depending on the verb itself. For example, number 1, there is a bag on the chair. Number 2, there are 3 books on the table. So, number 1 is singular and number 2 is plural. While uncountable noun will always take singular verbs. For example, number 1, there is juice in the jug. Number 2, sugar is sweet because we cannot count it. So, we always take it as singular verbs. Now, let's count together. For countable noun, we can see that there are 3 balls there. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. While uncountable noun, we can see that there are a lot of noodles in the bowl and there are a lot of salt in the container, which we cannot count it. So here are the tricky part where you need to remember that for countable noun, we use how many, and for uncountable noun, we use how much. Now let's look at how many. How many means I want to know the quantity or amount. For example, how many apples do you buy today? And now how much? I want to know the quantity or amount too. Those two are just the same. For example, how much sugar do you need for the tea? Now let's answer these questions. For the glass of milk, which one would you use? How much or how many? What about this one? Black pepper. How much or how many? Think. Next, slices of bread. Which one would you use? How much or how many? Next, biscuits. Which one would you use? How much or how many? Next is orange juice. Is it countable or uncountable? Think carefully. Next, lollipop. Is it countable or uncountable? So, which one would you use? Okay, after you have done answering those questions, now you will be answering a health quiz, which the link will be given to you in the group. So that's all for our class today. Thank you, class. See you next time.